morning, students. I welcome you all to the Senstar Online Learning. This is Muskan Barwar, and today I am back with the next topic related to chapter 4. Students, if you all remember, then yesterday we have learned counting till number 40. Yes, I hope you have learned counting till number 40. Now, today we will start from number 41. Now look, students, we will write numbers from 41 onwards also in the same way we have written earlier. Okay, so let's start from number 41. Okay, now see, students, the number 41 is also of 2 digits. Yes, and you know that if a number is of 2 digits, then 1 will be placed at the ones place and second will be placed at the tens place. Yes, so we will follow the same method here. So here 4 will be placed at the tens place. Yes, so how we can write this number in the place value form? We can write it as 4 tens and 1 1. Yes, now you know that 4 tens is equal to 40. Yes, and 1 is equal to 1. Yes, so we can write it as 41. Yes, okay. Now let's come to next number 42. In the same way, we will write 4 tens, 2 ones. Yes, and how we can write the number name of this number? We can write it as 42. Yes. Now, in the same way, we will write all the numbers till number 49. Okay, let's start. 43. So, how we can write here? 4 tens and 3 ones. This can be written as 43. Yes. Now let's come to number 44. This is also of 2 digits. 2 digit. One number will be placed at the ones and another will be placed at the tens column. Yes. So we can write it as 4 tens and 4 ones. Why? Because in both the places there is the same digit, that is number 4. Yes. Now let's come to next number 45. Now see how we can write this number as a number name form. 4 tens means 40 and 4 ones means 4. Yes. So we can write it as 44. Okay. Now let's come to next number 45. We can write it as 4 tens and 5 ones. Yes, and 4 tens means 40 again. So we will write it as 40 and 5 ones can be written as 5. Yes, now let's come to next number 46. We can write it as 4 tens and 6 ones. Yes, and how we can read this number in a number name form? We can write it as 46. Yes. Now let's come to next number 47. This also we can write it as 4 tens, 7 ones. We can write it as 47. Yes. Now let's come to next number, that is 48. Okay. Now see, this number is also of 2 digits. So 4 will be placed at the tens place. So we will write 4 tens and 8 will be placed at the ones place. So we will write 8 ones. Okay, where 4 tens can be written as 40 and 8 tens will be 8. Clear? Now let's come to number 49. In the same way, we will write the number 49, that can be as 4 tens, 9 ones. Yes. Now see students, now we have came to number 50. Yes. Now we cannot write 4 tens here. Yes, why? Because this number is of 2 digits, but at the ones place there is 0, but at the tens place there is 5. Did you remember how I have told you to write number 20, 30 and 40? In the same way we will write number 50. Okay, so how we will write? First we will write the tens column digit. Yes, which is at the tens column? 5. So we will write here 5 tens and 0 ones. Yes, 0 ones, which can be written as 5 tens means 50. Yes, so we can write it as 50. Okay, clear? I hope this much is clear to you all. Now let's move forward and learn counting from 51 to 60. Okay, so let's start counting from 51 to 60. Now students, we have learned how to write numbers in the form of place value and in the form of number name till number 50. Okay, so let's start from number 51. Okay, so now see, these are the countings from 51 to 60. Yes, now let's learn how we can write the number 51 in the place value form and in the number name form. Okay, so let's see. Now see, 51 is also of 2 digits. 51 consists of 2 digits. Yes, where 1 is at the ones place and 5 is at the tens place. Yes, so how we will write this? We can write it as 5 tens, 1 ones, which can be written as 5 tens means 50. Yes, so we will write 50 and 1 ones means 1. Okay, now let's come to next number 52. Now 52 can be written as 5 tens and 2 ones. Yes, now how we can write the number name of this? We can write it as 52. Yes, now in the same way we will write 53. 5 tens, 3 ones. Yes, which can be written as 53. Yes, now let's come to next number 54, which can be written as 5 tens and 4 ones. Yes, where 5 tens means 50 and 4 ones means 4. Okay, now let's learn number 55. 55 has 2 5. Yes, so we will write it as 5 tens, 5 ones, which can be written as 55. Yes, now let's come to next number, that is 56. Now 56 can be written as 5 tens, 6 ones. Yes, we can write it as 56. Yes, now let's come to number 57, which can be written as 5 tens, 7 ones. Yes, now 5 tens means again 50 and 7 ones means 7. Clear? Now 58. Now again we will write 5 tens and 8 ones. Yes, so we will write 8 ones. Okay, we can write it as 58. Clear? Now let's come to next number, that is 59, which can be written as 5 tens and 9 ones. Yes, which can be written as 59. Okay, now we have came to number 60. Yes, now how we will write the number 60? Now see, 6 and 0. Now 0 is at the ones place and 6 is at the tens place. Yes, So how we will write? First we will write the tens place value. Yes. So we will write 6 tens and 0 ones. Yes. Where 6 tens means 60. Okay. Clear? Okay, understood. Now students, I hope this much is clear to you all. I hope that you have understood that how to write the place value and the number name form of any numeral. Okay, so students, this is the way we write place value form and this is the way we write number name form. Okay, if questions come like this, then I hope you can do it yourself. Now students, open page number 60 and 61 in your maths book and see countings from 41 to 50 is given on page number 60 and countings from 51 to 60 is given on page number 61. So students, you have to complete these two exercises. Okay, you have to write just like this only. Somewhere you have to write the place value form and somewhere you have to write the number name form. Okay, I hope you can do yourself. Okay, so students, do your book work and copy work daily. It should be up to date. Okay, so keep learning and keep practicing. Stay at home. Thank you.